Ninja Slushi leaking? Here's the fix. If you notice liquid dripping from your Ninja Slushi during or after a cycle, don't panic. Here's how to track down the leak and stop the mess. Step 1. Check if the container is overfilled. Going past the max fill line can cause slush to overflow or leak around the rim. Stick to about 470 milliliters and make sure there's enough space for expansion while freezing. Step 2. Inspect the lid and spout for a loose seal. If the cap isn't clicked on all the way, slush can leak through the sides or tap area. Remove the lid, wipe the rim clean, and twist it back on firmly until you feel it lock. Step 3. Clean and reassemble the tap mechanism. Sticky buildup or misaligned parts can cause leaks during dispensing. Disassemble the tap, rinse it with warm water, and rebuild it carefully. Check that the silicone gasket is in place and undamaged. Step 4. Check for cracks in the container. If the leak happens underneath or continues while sitting still, inspect the vessel for hairline cracks or warping. A cracked pint needs replacing. Links in the description if you need a new one. If this helped stop the drip, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance fixes. And if you want to avoid tap leaks long term, we've linked a soft brush set below. It keeps seals clean and working properly. Thanks for watching, and swirl clean.